After a massive rally in July, NEO hit a high to start the month off at a little over $16, but is now off by 25%. But in better news, NEO stock recently received a new price target of $19.20. In better news, NEO's stock recently received a new price target of 19.20, up from 20. In better news, NEO stock recently received a new price target of $19.20, up from $13.90 from Citi analyst Jeff Chung. Chung believes that NEO's momentum will last until at least September based on a strong order pipeline, the release of their EC6, and strong seasonality towards the end of the year. The analyst added that a potential positive catalyst could occur if German automakers show cooperation interest in NEO's battery swap and charging facility stations. Now, if that wasn't bullish news, more bullish news is coming out. This time, it's coming from Deutsche Bank. This article is coming from Investor Place. NEO Stock Alert. Deutsche Bank just raised NEO's price target 30%. NEO stock is on the move Friday after the EV company's share got a new price target from Deutsche Bank analyst Edison Yu. This has the firm's price target for NEO stock increasing from $13 per share to $17 per share. We need to remember that $13 when we look at the charts. That means the stock could climb as much as 28% higher over the next year compared to Friday's close. The new price prediction is also bullish compared to analyst consensus of $13.31 per share. Now, what Edison said is, NEO, in a note to clients obtained by StreetInsider, motivated by a greater sense of urgency, NEO's operational execution has improved significantly in the past quarter, with new models ramping quickly and sales efficiency improving. Following a positive statement from Deutsche Bank analysts comes new estimates for deliveries. Yu is now expecting the company to deliver more than 60,000 EVs in Q3 2023. The analyst is also expecting deliveries for the full year of 2023 to be 180,000 units. That's a lot. All right, now, again, this is the monthly chart. Again, prices coming off the highs of August. Price is currently trading at $12.90. Let's go down to the weekly chart. And we can see that for July, we had actually a gap up, right? And that was on high volume, as indicated by this volume bar. And in the process, it created a weekly bias level at $10. So what we had was, we had a rally in price, we had a couple of basing candles, and then a gap higher, rally higher. There is significant buyers at this $10 to $11 range. Question is, how far will price pull back? Or is the pullback over? One other thing to note on the weekly chart, we do have a crossover between the 13 and the 26 simple weekly moving average. So that's bullish for the bag holders of NEO as well. All right. We're going to go down to the daily chart. Now, there's multiple reasons why I love this level. You have multiple moving averages kind of in and around this level. You have the 200-day moving average in yellow. You have the 50-day moving average in red. And then you have the 100-day moving average in white. All kind of converging in this $10 area. However, I'm not sure if price is going to get down that far. We can see on the retracement, we already went down more than 50%. Let's just reverse this here. All right. We can see on the retracement, price is sitting at the 61.8 retracement. It's also sitting at the 26-day moving average. This is the 13-day moving average. These two moving averages are momentum moving averages. So this is a level where I can see why price paused and closed the day above the lows. However, I'm in love with this 88.6% retracement. This is a undiscovered Wall Street fib retracement level. It kind of sits right above the weekly buyer's level as well as $10. Again, with all the moving averages kind of converging in that area. This is a back the dump truck type setup. Again, if price can decline that far. Only time will tell. But one thing's worth noting is that for the longest of time, I had a price target at $6. Price came within $1 before moving higher. This gap higher and green extended range candle for the month of July was the reversal, confirmation of the bottom as it took out all the most recent highs to the left between November and February of this year. So I'm convinced the bottoms are in. If and when you get long, look for a next target at the $23 level where there is a lot of selling pressure based on these selling wicks. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.